December 1st, so that makes today December 2nd. I know that December is the 12th month, December 2nd, 2020. Let's put it into words. December 2nd, 2020. I know today is Wednesday, so hop backwards to yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. We've been at school for 45 days, so I'm going to go 25, 35, 45 to make 45 cents. Know these words and know them fast. Was, one, I, have, your, does. Our number is 466. Look at your ones place. You have a 6. Is 6 even or is 6 odd? 6 is even, so 466 is an even number. All right, let's put it here. 466, 467, 468, 469, 470, 471. Let's get our number, 57. There we go. 457. Look at your tens place. Take one away, and you have 357. Look at your hundreds place and add one more. You now have 557. Get our two numbers, 787, 204. The gator's going to eat what's greater, so 787 is greater than 204.